Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're going to be unpackaging our brand new Dyno jet kit for the, what do you call it? For the Mojave. So this kit, it's supposed to boost a lot of things for like modded quads, like I don't know, like exhaust intakes, and apparently they have other kits. I couldn't find like the stage 2, 3, and 4. I only found stage 1, but I don't know what comes in this kit. As I know of, I don't know if it's like one jet or if it's like multiple different jets that I can use. But let's get to opening this up. Unleash the full potential. Alright, so this apparently has some type of container. I don't know if this comes with gaskets. I hope it does. So I guess it gives it a little more power over all the lines at most, about like probably right here at most, which is about, I don't know, like over a little, like 20 horsepower. We'll go with that. Exactly a little over 20 horsepower. Alright, what comes in this kit though? Let's see. Oh. So we got this. I'm assuming, got some nice stickers, Dyno Jet stickers. No smoking, no open flame while installing your jet kit. Yeah, I would agree with you on that. Alright, so part of this is main jet. I guess you got a couple of different main jets. You got 4 different ones. You got a fuel needle, adjustable washers, which I'm assuming is for doing the needle, and E-clip, which goes on the needle also. Yeah, so it looks like I guess you oh, that's upside down. So yeah, groove 1, okay, blah blah, I know that. Mixture screw, yeah, I know that one. Oh yeah, these are just some instructions on how to install it. Alright, so we got our jet needle here, our brand new jet needle. I guess we got our needle adjusters. I think it says we have 4 different main jets. So, which is right here and here. Yeah, so hold on, these have numbers on them. Let's see. Yes, these do have numbers. So this is let's only open these up first. Alright, so here's our jets. We got 134 here. We got 130 here. So 130, 134. This is 126. And where are you gonna be? Higher, lower, 122. So we got 122, 126, 130, 132, I believe, right? No, 134. So, I don't know, it doesn't, let's see, hold on, let me read direction real quick. So basically, I guess for the 130, 120, like 2 and 126, it's more for like when you're in higher altitudes, because as you go up higher in the air, the less oxygen you're getting per, like, you know, the density of the air gets decreases, which is basically how much air is in like a square centimeter, or you know, just in this much area. Yeah, I'm not gonna know the science of that right now, but then they got the, I guess they save for like if you have an aftermarket exhaust, which I do not. They say use the 134, which we may use only because we have a bigger cylinder wall, so they're not concluding that. So I'm probably just go right to the 134 and see what she does. And if that doesn't work, then we'll probably go down 1 or 2. Probably just go down 130. I think 1. Yeah, I'm not sure, but we're probably gonna do 134 when we do install this kit. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was just real quick. I just saw like we got this, so I just want to show you guys it real quick before we actually go do it. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but we'll do it soon. Alright, so leave a like down below, comment down below what kind of bikes you have or quads you have and experiences you have with them. I like to hear them down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.